You love your car, but you don't always have time to do a proper wash and wax. What if I can show you how to do both things at the same time? 3D Wash and Wax is a complex formula that safely cleans your car while leaving behind a real layer of synthetic wax protection. This pH-balanced car wash soap removes dirt and road grime without removing any wax sealant or ceramic coating, making it the perfect maintenance wash. The concentrated high-foaming soap can be used with the bucket wash, foam guns, or foam cannons. The high lubricity formula lubricates the finish to create a slick surface, helping dirt and debris to glide off without causing wash-induced swirls and scratches. The built-in synthetic wax creates a super slick surface, which makes drying faster and easier while adding protection, gloss, and shine. 3D Wash and Wax not only does a great job of cleaning and waxing your car in a single step, it's fun to use and provides you with the way to maintain your automotive investment while escaping from your busy schedule for a little me time with your car.